Okay. Okay, I'll skip number 1 because it's kind of easy. Number 2, the smallest number of ladders. I think there's really only one way to go from the firefighter to the fire without jumping, and it's this. I go here, and then go here, go across, go down, go across, go up the ladder, go up the ladder, go up the ladder, and then you reach it. And that is how many ladders? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 6, which is correct, yeah. Muhammad wrote 3 consecutive 4-digit numbers in a row. Okay, so these numbers are supposed to be consecutive, which means they're all 48 something, right? As you can see here, that means this one is 48 something, this one is 48 something, right? This is 98, so that means this is 97, 97, 98, 99. So the blanks are this one, E. Yep, which is also correct. Pattern is made of equal pentagons as shown above. So this is supposed to be a self-intersecting loop, which means it's supposed to look like this. And like this, something like that. Okay. But we still have to flip it, right? Because here, the empty space is supposed to be a pentagon. Oops. Like this. Right? And we still have to flip it because all of these pentagons have the pointy side up like that. I mean, you can just use your imagination, or what I used to do was use my scratch paper to write it and then like manually flip it. But basically you can do it like this. Yep. So it looks mostly like this option, C. Is the answer C? Yes it is. Okay, so it's C. Yep, for this one you can use like paper, like just draw it like this and then you can try to flip it upside down. Yeah. Number 5, Peter. Okay, so basically you're supposed to put like these weights, or at least it doesn't have to be all of them. Some weights, the minimum number of weights in fact, on this scale to make it balanced. So we have 4, 4, 5 here and this one is empty. Okay, so what do we do? It's kind of tempting to do, this is 400. If we put it here, you get 400, and then we put a 40, and we put a 5. But that's 5 weights already. A better way would be to do it this way. Use a 500 and put it here. Right, so that's 500 on the left, 445 on the right side. So we need to put something here to make it balanced. More specifically, we would need like 55 more to make it 500 here and 500 here. So how do we make a 55? Well, we could just do 50 and a 5. So we put a 50 weight here and a 5 weight here. So now both sides are both 500. How many weights did we use? 3 weights. Which is B. Is this correct? Yes, it is. Soccer players numbered 1 to 11. So each player kicks the ball to the third player on his left. Player 1 starts. 3 to his left is number 4, so it goes here. And then 3 to the left is number 7. It keeps on going. And we keep on doing that until the player has a ball for the second time. Like, it doesn't have to be any specific player. As long as some player has a ball for the second time, it stops. Okay, I'll just keep on doing it then. 1 has a ball and it gets past the 4, gets past the 7. 3 on the left of 7 is going to be 10. right? 3 on the left of 10 is going to be 2. And then 3 on the left is 5. 3 on the left is 8. 3 on the left is 11. And then we go back to 3. 3 on the left of 11 is 3. And it goes to 6. And it goes to 9. So at this point, everyone in the circle has had the ball at least one time. So then in the next pass, when it goes to... Wait, where did it go again? Oh, sorry, I got confused. 10, 2, 5, 8, 11. Yeah, okay. So it's supposed to go to 3. Is it? 1, 4, 1, 4, 7, 10, 2, 5, 8, 11. Yeah, it's supposed to go to 3. But then 3 would have the ball a second time. The question is asking, what is the number of the player who kicked the ball last? So before 3 has had it for the second time, the last player to have it was 11. Oh wait, did I get confused? Okay, I'll just do it again. Okay, 1, 4, 7, 10, 2, 5, 8, 11. Oh wait, it's not 11. Oops. 3, 6, 9. Yep, and then the next player who has a ball is 1, and then he would have had it a second time. So the last player to have it is 9. So 6E is correct. Oops, yeah, sorry, I just got confused. Okay. Ria has 3 counters marked 1, 5, and 11 as shown. She wants to place them side by side to make a 4-digit number. Okay, so you notice that basically all of these numbers are... We basically have 3 1s and 1 5. And then... Right, without checking if you can make it using the circles, the 4-digit numbers using 3 1s, and 1 5 are as follows. Okay, let's do it systematically so we don't miss anything. Smallest one is 1 1 1 5. The next one is 1 1 5 1, 1 5 1 1, and then 5 1 1 1. These are all the 4-digit numbers that you can make using this combination of digits. But we actually really haven't even checked if you can make it using these 3 circles. Okay, let's check. Okay, so for the first one, 1 1 1 5, that's possible. You can do this 1, and then 1 1, and then 5. So this is possible. Next one is 1 1 5 1, which is also possible. Do this first, 1 1, and then a 5, and then a 1. It's possible. And then a 1 5 1 1, also possible. 1, 5, and 1 1. This is okay. And then lastly, a 5 1 1 1. So you put this one first, and then this one, and then this one. That's a 5 1 1 1, which is also possible. So there are 4-digit numbers that you can make. Let's check if that's right. 7B. Yeah, it is B. Okay, good. Dina has set up her 3 bricks on the floor behind a wall. So this is what the wall is supposed to be. And then these are the 3 bricks. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. When seen from the front, the bricks... Okay, so this is the front. When you look at it from the front, this is what you see. Okay, what happens if we look at it from the back? So obviously this is on the front if it's... this is on the left if we're facing from the front. But if we look at it from the back, this is going to be on the right. So obviously it can't be A. Yep. Yeah, so it can't be this one because this one is still on the left. All right, how do we know which one it is? So as you can see, this brick is a lot taller than this brick. So as you can see here, it's almost equal, so it can't be this one. It can't be D as well because you're looking at it from the back, which means the wall is gonna look like this, covered by the bricks. So it can't be D. So it's just between B and C. Okay, Okay, actually, to be honest, I did get a careless mistake a while ago because I didn't read the 3 bricks part, and I thought it would be like this. But the answer is actually B, because as you can see from the front, if you're looking at this from the front, right, this brick is in front of the wide brick. Which means if you look at it from the back, this one is on front. The wide brick is supposed to be in the front now. So it has to be this one. Yep. So if you're looking at it from the front, it's basically wall, and then tall brick, and then wide brick. But if we're looking at it from the back, it's gonna be wide, tall, and then wall, which is this. See the wide brick first, and then the tall brick, and then the wall is in the back. Yep, so is it B? Yes, it is B. Yep, all right.